twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today. That means she's scared, right?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Hope you guys are still good. For my new subscribers, hi guys, I'm Bahle, and for my returning service, thank you guys a lot. Trust and believe, really appreciate you guys. So guys, today it's Tuesday, right? It's currently 11:05. So I was like, let me start this vlog, right, since I did something mini, right, and then carry on with it, because tomorrow I'm going to campus. So I was like, let me vlog. Do you get me? Since I'm going to campus, I have to go and fix my rent issue, and then what am I doing really after that? Okay, I don't have plans after that, but then I was like, yes, let me vlog, because in that look vlog on your campus. Do you get me? So I was like, yeah. Anyway guys, hope you guys are still good. I'll catch you guys on the next clip. Bye.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, but you know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has seen the way to me, I do the world I've seen her. We are nobody in Jehovah. That's the Lord that they go far. Who's the good that they...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. Hope you guys are still good. So guys, today it's Wednesday. Yeah, today Wednesday, and I'm going to campus, as I said on my previous clip that I want to go to campus today. So I'm about to head out. It's currently 12:30 and Nzopuma around 1, so I still have like 30 minutes to chill a bit. Ipasi figure around Gorabas, you know, so Nzopuma la errands around 1 and go stand outside, and then yeah, that's yeah, I think I'll talk to you guys when I get to campus or when I come back. Do you get me? Yeah, hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are enjoying Ilanga Lenu. Oh, and another thing I wanted to share with you guys, Uguti, I've started this other 31 day of, is it okay, 31 day reading plan. I'll just put the thingy, the picture here in Ibone, you know. So today I'm on day 11. So what I do, ne, when I wake up every morning, ne, I read one scripture. Like I read a verse every day when I wake up, you know, for like 31 days. Do you get me? And as I forgot about it, but every day being Voga, I do that. So I wanted to like share with you guys, you know, isn't there any yens? Maybe you guys are gonna like try it next month, you know, because I got it for like October or November or anything, any month. Do you get me? So I just wanted to share lentole with you guys. Yeah, we'll talk when I come back or being figure campus. Bye. One thing I hate is going back and forth into A1. Like, why? Do you get me? So I'm done at campus right now. I'm on my way to Campus Square. I wanna go to Clicks. Yeah, like I really hated him because lento le iyang bora, like iyo phela nini jo But anyway guys, I'm done go campus. I'm on my way to Campus Square right now, so I'll talk to you guys when I get that side, right? So another thing is that I couldn't vlog properly because it's graduation season and kugcwele, so I'll talk to you guys when I get guys, right? Because I'm going to Campus Square, so I doubt I'll like talk to you guys. So sizokhuluma when I get to us, right? Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog. Hope you guys are still good. So today it's Friday, right? And I want to clean my room, pack and go home, right? I want to go home like so I just wanted to like introduce Ilangala today and tell you guys what's on the agenda. I don't know if I will show you while cleaning but then I'm going home, right? Yeah, and then I'm washing and then so yeah, I hope you guys are good. I'll probably do an update of what happened like in the past few days when I get home, right? And I also want to get it dye because last time I cut in well, and then now I want to dye my hair, right? So yeah, hope you guys are still good. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has seen the way to live. I do the world I've seen. We are nobody who did over. And the Lord I live over. Who's the Lord that they buy? That's how they look to Shita. And then I really put it too bad. In line was that Shita. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul.
So guys, I'm done with everything. Ngicedile cleaner, gezija and ngiceda nokugeza, right? So I'm about to head out. I'm going home, as I said. Yeah, that's the only thing I wanted to say for now, right? So ngicede nokupeka, like here's my bag over there. So yeah, let us go home. Let us go home. Like I'm so tired. I'm funjeni nokungasho. Kodwa ke let us go home. I'll talk to you guys maybe being and clean. If I don't talk to you guys today, I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.
That's why I call my own. I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to red. I'm your cousin's love, hold you for life.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog. Hope you guys are still good. So guys, today it's Sunday, right? And I just brushed my teeth. Right now I just want to do my skincare routine. So I'll be using this Portia M face wash, followed by Garnier Skin Active, the charcoal one, right? So I'm gonna scrub my face and then use a 5-minute face mask. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna use pure soap. I left my new one at Joburg, please. I'm gonna use pure soap, and then I'm gonna moisturize my face with the sunscreen from Clicks, right? So I wanna do that, and then I'll talk to you guys when I'm done.
Oh God, I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
I'm done, right? Like with everything. So I wanna try this bicarbonate of soda for my t-shirt, because this white crop top decided to dollar it things kesana. Okay, I don't know if you guys are gonna see, but there's a stain, not even one, I think more than 2, and this is like my favorite, right? So I wanna try this hack I saw on TikTok with bicarbonate of soda and then I soak it, right? That's what I want to do right now. So while I do that, while I soak my top, I want to dye my hair, right? Wait, let me go and fetch my dye. As I was saying, I want to dye my hair. So I want to try this, right? It's the caramel blonde in Ep2. I've tried it, but then I mix a rich copper to get the ginger color, ne? But then I still had like long hair, right? So now I have like short hair, like short. So I wanna try this because I'm for like a blonde color, and I don't wanna bleach my hair. I did bleach my hair like I think a month ago, and child, but it's fine, story for another day. So I wanna try this, right? So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll talk to you guys later. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my vlog, guys. So today it's Monday, and I'm closing off the vlog. Oh, and I'm eating my favorite meal. I don't know if you guys are gonna see. Okay, but I'm eating amasi, and I'm closing off the vlog because I want to start a new one this week, right? Like there's a lot of things, so I decided to close off this one. Hope you guys are good. hope ni right. Oh, another thing, guys, Nimoshi pasam, the crop top, the white one, is moshi. So I wanna go to Clicks this week and like buy a pink dye. It's dye pink, GME, and then yeah, I think we're gonna be cool, right? Oh, another thing, oh, I did dye my hair. But then as I put the wing for now to put me on. So I wanna like dye it today before I leave because I'm going back to Joburg today, right? So without talking too much, hope you guys are still good. I'll talk to you guys on my next vlog. Bye.